Hey, welcome to my battle room channel, and this is HansPerm. Okay, today we're gonna be solving an AO5, and let's have a target of sub 30. Hopefully I could have a sub 30 AO5, but if worst comes to worst, hopefully I could just get a single cork solve at least a sub 30. And let's try, okay, now let's try this first shuffle from the CS timer. Alright. Okay, by the way, we'll pick up one best solve, and upon completing the AO5, we'll just have a simple run through how I solved it. If I still remember that movements I did. Okay, so no further ado, so let's have start now our AO5. Okay, first shuffle. Okay, let's have a 15 seconds inspection. Okay, first solve is 24 seconds. It's a pretty good solve. Okay, let's try the second shuffle. Okay, let's have a 15 seconds inspection. Oh, it's a good white cross already, so hopefully I could get a good solve to this one. Right. And it's a F1. Okay, almost the same though. Wow, it's first time this happens. I got a couple of 24.01 seconds. That's awesome. Okay, it's first time it happens though, but it's still the best. It's not the best. It's a good solve though. Let's try this third shuffle. Definitely, I changed the shuffle, right? Because you're now seeing from my screen that the shuffle is changing, and you can see from the camera. Shuffle is totally different from the first one to the other. Okay, now let's have a 15 seconds inspection. Okay, hopefully I'll be getting a good solve to this one though. Okay. Okay, so sometimes hardly I could see the pairs actually. This might not be a good solve, but hopefully I can still get. Okay, it's a 32.26 solve, so which means fair enough. Okay, it's near to 30 seconds, but still have two more chances of getting a sub 30 because I still have two shuffle left. Okay, we'll see for this fourth shuffle. Okay, let's have a 15 seconds inspection. Okay. Okay, struggling for my last sperm, which is HansPerm. Right. It's a 31.71 seconds. Okay, so this time I still have one more left to complete my AO5. Right, so this time let's try this last shuffle. Okay, it's not a quite good solve now. Hopefully I could still get this AO5, which is sub 13. We'll see the last solve I'll be doing this time. In case it won't, okay, at least we can still take one of the shuffle from the 24.01 and let's have a walkthrough on that. Right. Let's have a 15 seconds inspection. Okay. Okay, it's a bit hard to shuffle though. Let's see. Okay, definitely I'm not getting a good song for this one though. I'm getting more lockups. And okay, now this time this is okay. And definitely it's the worst solve, right? So this is definitely the worst solve. But the best thing here now, I still got my target, which is 29.31 ray. That's great. Okay, so I'll just be getting one shuffle here. It won't be displaying in my screen though, but let me um, just read that shuffle. Okay, and let's have a walkthrough. But definitely I won't be remembering how I make those moves, but let's see how we can do to solve for that best shuffle, which is a 24.01. Okay, this is a B2, F2, D2, U, R2, D prime, F2, D2, B2, D, R, D prime, U, B2, L, B, U prime, L2, U, and R2. Okay, so this time, okay, let's first solve for the white cross. This time actually I'm studying solving for neutral, but color neutral, but this time we'll try this one now for white cross for the meantime. I'm not a speed cuber when it comes to color neutral. So I'm seeing the first cross here, which is the white blue, and I'll just pair on this middle, and then now I'm seeing this red, right, which is a red white, and now this green and white, and then of course this last will be the orange white. Now you can see that I have already solved the white cross. Now I'll just be moving on to the first two layer. Okay, upon seeing my first pair is pretty much uh, technically I could not recognize one of which is, I think I did some rotation at the moment, and I saw first is really okay, this one, the green and red, and this is the pair. Right, let's line up here so that we could insert over there, right, by moving an R prime, U2, and R, U, U prime, and then R prime, U, and then R. So you can see that it's already inserted there from that slot. So now the first pair that I'm seeing now for my F2L is this. Definitely, it's very obvious. It's already been paired, and if they're already on top, it's ready to insert over here. So this is the blue orange. I'll just insert it over in this slot. Okay, so we still have a couple more F2L to complete, and I think I'm seeing this red and blue. Right, but only I need to position this one so that I could insert somewhere here on this side. Right. So which means I might rotate so that I could insert directly from this slot and then perform an R, U, and R prime. There you go. So last pair is now this one, and definitely it's the orange green. So I'll just be lining up this orange and then perform R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, and R prime. Now we are now on the orientation of the last layer from this shape. From this shape, I'll be performing this algorithm. right? And of course, this shape will be a U-perm, right? So this time, okay. Sorry, I did a mistake. So sometimes that happens, of course, because doing some instructions, normally the muscle memories does do the job, and sometimes what is in my mind is basically it's telling the correct algorithm. Oh, now there you go, it's already been solved, and this is one of my best solved, which is 24.01. I don't know if I can still do it 24.01, and we'll see. No, it's a bit challenged though. If I can still beat that one, or pretty much more worse though. Let me just try that. So shuffle, and if I will still be getting 24 or best or even worse. Okay, now let's make use of this timer. Okay, let's have an inspection. Okay, right. Okay, sorry. Definitely, I'm not getting a good song at the moment. It's quite obvious though, because it is a deep Well, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching and listening, and hopefully you enjoy. And keep safe. And bye bye for now.